Hi boys and girls, today is Monday. This is our math lesson for today. It is number 122. So go ahead and get that out and let's get started. All right, you need your ruler for your 7-centimeter line segment. So make sure you're on the centimeter side and let's draw a 7-centimeter line. All right, go ahead and write your last name. And let's write left and right. And you can underline I3 with your red pencil. All right, today's date is April 20th, comma, leave a space, 2020. Okay. If you're doing this on a different day, you can write the date that you're doing it, or you can use this date. Either one is fine. All right, and today is Monday. And our phonogram to mark is A, may. AY says A, and it may be at the end of a word. All right, go ahead and let's do 9 tally marks today. Okay. Pause the video until you have this done and you've done your tally marks, and then unpause to see what I've done. All right, help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave a space. 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. Our number for today is 110. Oh, that should be pretty easy for our handwriting, but don't be sloppy about it just because it's an easier one. Make sure your ones are top to bottom and your zeros start at 2 o'clock. All right, trace theirs and then do more of your own. 2 o'clock up. Remember, you can whisper 110 as you write it. All right, go ahead and count by 3s, singing your 3 song to see the digits on the line and mark even or odd. Pause the video while you do that and while you check any handwriting, and then unpause to check your answers. All right, sing with me. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So we have 15 digits on the line. And our marking is E-double-E. Always says E. And 0, even or odd? Well, with 0, is there an odd man out? Nope, so 0 is even. Make sure all the letters in the word even are the same size. Okay, spy tools out. Your spy tool is your highlighter and your red pencil. All right, I spy 110 in problem 1. Let's see, are there any more today? Maybe you're spying some. I don't spy any other today. All right, go ahead and put your spy tools away. All right, number 2. Fred has 5 dimes and 3 pennies. All right, so let's draw our 5 dimes. Remember, dimes are small, and we're going to put a 10 in them. All right, and we need 3 pennies. Let's use our brown for our pennies. Won't put a 1 in those because those are worth 1 cent. All right, so we have 5 dimes and 3 pennies. Remember, smart students go back and count their pictures, make sure they did it correctly. All right, his sister gave him 2 more pennies. So what type of problem is this if he's getting more? Some more. All right, so we need to draw a line and add more pennies, or more dimes, I'm sorry. So his sister gave him 2 more dimes, so we're gonna draw 2 more. Okay, so let's see what they're asking us. How many dimes does Fred have now? So right now we just want to know how many dimes. So 5 and 2 more. Go ahead and write your answer. All right, you should have written 7. How many pennies does Fred have now? He still has 3 pennies. All right, so how much money is this all together? All right, so remember there's 2 ways you can do this. You can think about what you know about tens place and ones place and write your answer. Go ahead and do that. We know we have 7 dimes, 7 tens, 3 pennies, 3 ones. Don't forget the cent sign. All right, let's go back and count our picture to double check that we did it correctly. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73. All right, we got it right. All right, here we have some candy. Oh, that sounds yummy. All right, there are 2, 4, 6, 8 pieces of candy. And we want to show that 2 out of the 8 pieces of candy are brown. So get out your brown crayon and underline the word brown. Okay. All right, so we want to color 2 of the candies brown. And it doesn't matter which 2, just pick 2. All right, strengthen those kindergarten muscles by working to color inside the lines. Nice kindergarten coloring. Okay. Next, we want to show that 3 out of the 8 candies are yellow. So get out your yellow. Let's underline the word yellow. All right, so pick any 3 because 3 out of the 8 are going to be yellow. I'm going to pick the top 3, but whatever you pick is fine. Remember, we're working those kindergarten hand muscles and really working to stay inside the lines. Coloring in the whole circle, not leaving white space. Okay, you can put away your yellow. Let's get out our red and underline the word red. All right, 1 out of the 8 candies is red. So pick one of them to color red. Okay, if you've been having a hard time and you've been going outside the lines, I want you to get your big eraser and clean it up some, make it look nice. All right, so, can't find my green. This will work. Okay, so 2 out of 8 are brown, 3 out of 8 are yellow, 1 out of 8 is red. The rest of the candies are green, so we're going to color them green. Okay, so how many out of the 8 candies are green? Let's write the number word. Go ahead and write your word and then check it against mine. We colored 2 green. So we can say that 2 out of 8 are green. Okay. We can also write that as a fraction. So in here in your space or over here in your space, I want you to write that as fraction. So 2 of them were green out of 8 pieces. So 2/8 are green, 2 out of 8. All right, we are going to review our 3D shapes. I'm gonna slide the poster up so I can reach it. All right, let's go over our shapes. All right, remember our sphere. Our sphere is like a ball, like the sun, it rolls. It doesn't have any flat faces, it doesn't have any vertices or points. It only has curves. It can roll. It cannot stack, and it cannot slide. Okay. We have our cone. A cone has one flat face, the shape of a circle. It has one vertice, one point. It can slide, it can roll, but it cannot stack. Okay. Next we have our cube. All right, a cube has no curves. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. And all the faces are the same size. They're all the shape of a square. It has 8 vertices. All right, a cube cannot roll, but it can slide and it can stack. Okay. All right, our rectangular prism. A rectangular prism has, just like the cube, it has 6 faces, but they're not all the same size. Okay. They're shaped like rectangles and squares. It still has 8 vertices, and it does the same things as a cube. It slides, it stacks, but it doesn't roll. And our last shape, my favorite shape of all, is our cylinder. Our cylinder can slide, it can stack, it can roll. It has 2 circular faces and no vertices. Kind of like a can of soup. All right, let's get out a green and a blue crayon. Let's go ahead and underline the word green. All right, find the sphere and the picture and color it green. All right, see if you can stay inside those lines, really work those muscles and make them stronger in your hands. When you're done, you can put away your green. All right, let's underline the word blue. And I'm thinking of a shape that rolls, stacks, and slides. It has 2 faces and no vertices. Put your finger on what it is. It's the cylinder. Yeah, we're going to color the cylinder blue. All right, get out an orange crayon. I am thinking of a shape that slides and rolls. It does not stack, has 1 face and 1 vertice. Put your finger on which one it is. It's the cone. Let's color the cone orange. And you can pick any color you want that we haven't already used. Just pick one. And do you know what this one's called? Cube. Let's think about what a cube does. A cube slides and stacks. It does not roll. It has 8 vertices and 6 faces. Go ahead and color your cube, whatever color you chose. That was not one of the ones we already used. See if you can stay in those lines as best you can. All right, students who care about their work and want to do their best will get out their fat eraser and go back and erase any marks that went outside the line. All right, let's look down at the bottom. All right, remember we're adding 10. You can use your 100 chart or you can practice your skip counting by 10. I want you to do these 3 problems. Pause the video while you're doing that, and then unpause and check your answers. All right, let's see what you got. Say it with me. 62, 72, 53, 63, 29, 39. Okay. All right, remember how we pick 2 of them down here to add together first, and then we add the 3rd add-in. I like to pick doubles, friends who make 10, to do first. Go ahead and do both these problems and then pause it and come back. All right, whichever you chose to partner up first is fine. I'm going to choose 7 and 3 because those are a friend who makes 10. 10 plus 2, when I'm adding 10, I write a 1. I copy the other number. All right, 5 plus 1, I'm going to add those. 6, oh, I see a doubles. 6 plus 6 equals 12. That's swell. All right, boys and girls, great job. Well done. This is your math fact practice for today. It's 122. You can do side A or B, it doesn't matter. All right, these are all subtraction problems. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.